Hello and welcome to ESL Revolution, everyone. I am your content creator and professor, Dr. B. Not a real doctor. I hope you are all doing very, very well today. And from South Korea, I wish you a happy Chinese New Year wherever you happen to be. That's right, because we're in the middle of a big Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 5-day holiday in the country here. So if you happen to be participating in that somewhere around the world, happy Chinese New Year, or in Korea, Seonna holiday to you. Very good to have you aboard. Today we are doing Padlet short number 2. That's right. This is all in a way, I guess, connected to Parveen, who had asked that question in the online forum with Eric on Sunday. And I did say that I wanted to get content out to her and to all of you every day for the 8 days. If you have not checked out the wall video, bing, it's right up there. Go ahead, click that video so that you can be informed as to how you can use the wall in Padlet. Today, we are going to be doing a short connection video into Canvas. And as you can see, I have Padlet opened up and ready to go. Now, what is Canvas? Well, first of all, let's go in and select. And we are going to do so there's Canvas Padlet. Again, you need to be changing the settings in each of your, as you open up each Padlet, the settings will be generic. So you have to fit them to how you want to engage the students. So this is an example of how to use okay, so there we go. And again, I want to go in and I always use my own. There we go. Sorry, that's my phone dinging off there. Let me just turn that off so that I don't get another interruption. There we go. Okay. Excuse me. Now, I want to add my own picture as well. Upload, and I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to keep using the same ones just to have consistency throughout these tutorials. I'm going to do that one. Attribution would be on, comments would be on, reactions are off, and require approval, and next. Okay, you're all set. Post to your heart's content. Use the post button, drag files in, or double click anywhere. Now, first of all, what we need to understand is what Canvas is for. Canvas is a way for you and your students to have information available on a single topic, okay? Now, this is generally useful as a help guide, okay? So let's say I am let's see, yeah. Check out the Zoom link below and download the app here. Okay. Oh, download. There we go. Okay. So what I want to do then is I want to go in and I want to actually add the Zoom. Okay, so here we go here. and I'm going to copy. I'm going to add the URL here and save it. Okay. Okay, so I want the students then to download Zoom. Now, let's say a student then has a problem downloading Zoom, or there's some kind of issue. They can then add a post to this particular section of Canvas in for Zoom. Okay, or maybe another student can answer the question. They would then post here. So what you're doing is you're collecting all the information that you need as a teacher or as students for Zoom particularly. Now, let's say I have, let's say I want to have, just to kind of promote Eric's channel here. Where is Etude? Okay, and I want, he's going to do the playlist, and here's the playlist here, and I want to share this playlist, and I'm going to add into here, so Zoom playlist. This is a great site for learning the Zoom application. Ah, this is a great site for learning the Zoom app. Okay, then again, I'm going to go here and I'm going to add that playlist here. Okay, so this is a way again for me to connect with the students. I can, maybe the students, again, the student's name is not there, obviously, but you know, I can then, let's say I want to, as a student, I want to ask a question, but I'm going to use voice instead. So what I can do is, as we're talking about Zoom, I can give a quick question. Recording. Bloop. I'm not going to do that because it's going to interfere with the recording part of this. But let's say I click on that and I say, hi, Dr. B, this is Charlie, and I'm having a problem with the settings. When I go into settings, I cannot find my my camera. Can you show me where it is? Okay, so boom, there's an audio question. Now, what I might want to do is I might then want to give a video recording. Okay, so I can go in and I can screen record what I'm doing. So then as a response to the Zoom question, I can provide a Zoom answer. Excuse me, I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. So I would record then how to navigate the Zoom page going into the settings to find my camera. Okay, so as a Canvas, all of the information being contained in Canvas is related to a single topic and something that can be used where students can go back in and find out information on a particular area. It could be a particular subject. It could be a piece of technology that you're using in class, whatever you want to use. I'm just using Zoom as an example just to help you understand the framework for this particular pad. It could be that you have several pads already set up before your class so that you can say, okay, I want you to download X app. Please go into Padlet to find the instructions. Boom, students go in there. And again, if there's any questions, they can post a specific question to the pad and you can respond. Or you could make it so that you want other students to respond and they can do that as well. Anyway, I hope this Padlet short finds you very well. happy holidays, everyone here from Korea. Happy Chinese New Year. And we will be seeing you again tomorrow for Padlet Shorts number 3. Stay tuned, everybody, and have a great day. Peace.